And that starts a clock that counts down from 15 minutes. So we will have to watch to see if the field mill rule violation will clear before we have to come out of the count and approach the launch window. In addition, we still are red for lightning here at Kennedy Space Center. And Mission Control in Houston continues to evaluate that same storm to the north that contains active lightning and is a concern for return to launch site abort scenarios as well. About 13.5 minutes remain in this count. T-minus 9 minutes and holding. This is Shuttle Launch Control.
Go ahead, Robbie.
MPD, SRO on 212.
Okay, copy that. And
Go ahead.
we did meet our minimum criteria.
Yes, just want to
even
stand by.
without those sites.
Stand by, SRO. TOS, was that you talking?
Yes.
Yes, sorry.
Okay, what did you have?
Wrong channel.
All right,
I'm mistaken.
SRO NTD. And this is SRO. Go ahead. SRO, NTD, just want to inform you that right now the range is currently no-go for 3 items: the lightning rule, field mill rule, and anvil cloud rule at this time. So the clear time is unknown. Copy. Thank you.
And the Eastern Range reports that they are no-go for lightning, field mill rules, and anvil clouds. As is KSC launch weather. We're red for lightning, anvil clouds, and field mills.
I got fill-ins for Operation 930.
Go ahead.
Okay. Up number is 80. Run number...
Unfortunately, it appears that the weather is trending in the wrong direction as we approach the end of our hold.
Dash 042909 dash 001. And I can also give you step 16-1137. Confidence checks are complete.
Copy that, QC. QC copies.
The field mills are still above their limits, so we have not yet begun to count down from 15 minutes to clear them, and we cannot do that until they clear. We have 10.5 minutes remaining in our hold at T-minus 9 minutes.
QC. QC copies.
And a little bit more than 19 minutes till T0. And you can see to the north of Kennedy Space Center the dark clouds that are in question and are causing all the concern. An active thunderstorm that is too close at the wrong time. We also require 30 minutes to clear the anvil rule, 30 minutes without lightning to clear it, and it's very unlikely that we'll be able to do that, because the only way that we'll be able to clear the anvil rule is if the anvil clouds dissipate, and rather than dissipating, things seem to be intensifying. 9 minutes, 15 seconds remaining in our hold. 8 minutes, 38 seconds remain in our hold, and here at Kennedy Space Center's Launch Complex 39, Phase 1 lightning alert is being issued.
Range weather. Let's correct Phase 1 for Complex 39. By 1. Phase 1 until 2000 local.
Copy, thank you, till 2000. Go ahead.
This is Shuttle Launch Control with 6.5 minutes remaining in our hold at T-minus 9 minutes. NASA Test Director Steve Payne will be making a poll.
TBC, Safety Console, STM, and PTC. We are in Phase 1 Lightning Advisory, LC-39, until 2000 local. OTC copies. TBC copies. Safety copies. STM copies. PTC copies.
Steve Payne will be taking a poll shortly to assess our readiness for launch today.
NTD, SRO, 212.
Go ahead.
Yes, can I get a quick call on the direct line, please?
Right, go ahead.
Weather is expected to be a concern.
This is the NTD conducting the launch status check. All stations verify ready to resume count and go for launch. OTC? OTC is go. TBC? TBC is go. TTC? TTC is go. LPS? LPS is go. Houston flight?
Houston flight is no-go for RTLS abort landing weather.
Copy. And Mila?
Mila, go.
STM?
STM, go.
Safety console?
Safety console, go.
STE?
ST is go, sir.
LRD? LRD is go. SRO?
No, we are no-go at this time due to weather.
Copy. And CDR?
CDR is go.
Launch Director NTD? Launch Director, go ahead. Right, except for flight and SRO, due to weather reasons, the rest of the team is ready to proceed.
Okay, with that, I will conduct my poll. KSC Processing, Chief Engineer, verify no constraint to launch.
No constraints.
Copy that. KSC Shuttle Safety and Mission Assurance.
KSC SMA is go.
Copy that. Payload Launch Manager.
Pete, the space station team is ready to go.
Copy that. And range weather.
Weather is red for the lightning rule, the anvil rule, and the field mill rule.
Okay, copy that. And Ops Manager, Launch Director.
Launch Director, this is Ops Manager.
Well, yes, sir. We have, currently we've got no-go recommendations based on weather for RTLS weather and range weather for various rules. That looks like with that cell is just north of us, we're in violation. Recommend no-go.
Let's see, Pete, we talked about the timing rates. We got a little bit of hold time remaining, a little bit of window we could use, but at least for range weather, that doesn't look like that's getting us to be able to clear constraints.
That is correct. We would not be able to clear our range weather constraints by the end of the launch window.
Okay. Pete, with that, sounds like we made a valiant attempt today. Again, the vehicle held in and the team held in real good, but it wasn't our weather day. I'm happy with your recommendation to knock it off.
I copy that. And Endeavour, Launch Director, Air-to-Gram 1.
Go ahead.
Well, Roman, again, the vehicle and our teams were ready, but the weather has just bitten us again with lightning within 20 nautical miles and within violation of our launch weather. So for that, we're going to have to declare a scrub again for the day today, and we'll talk and convene and decide our forward path, whether it's tomorrow or Wednesday. So sorry about that. We'll reconvene again and make another go at it here shortly.
And we understand, Pete, that's the nature of our business, and like I said before, when the time is right, we'll be here, we'll be ready.
Copy that. Thank you, sir.